Hey guys, couple of quick things here. First off, yes, I'm wearing a Ghostbusters jumpsuit, well noticed. Sort of old Halloween costume, and I'm only wearing it because I was protecting clothes from painting. The second is the poem. It's called Lament for the Makers, and William Dunbar, in his few poems that we have of him, because he lived in the 1400s, was religious, like most people were in the 1400s. In Scotland at that time. I can't tell you if he was Calvinist or if he was Catholic, or the other form of Protestants. There's too many to guess. But I can tell you that this is basically about God taking people away, and it's really old Scots, folks. No one's spoken like this for many a year. I mean, it's almost, well, it is 600 years old near enough. So here goes, without much further ado, and I'm going to bring you closer because I'm having real trouble fucking reading this from this distance. Hi. Okay, here we go. I that heill was, and gladness, am trublit new with great sickness, and feblit with infirmitie, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Our plesance here is all vain glory, this false world is but transitory. The flesh is bruckle, the Feynd is slee. Timor Mortis conturbat me. The state of man does change and vary, now sound, now sick, now blyth, now sary. Now dansand mirry, now like to die. Timor Mortis conturbat me. No state in earth here stands sicker, as with wynd, wavis, the wicker. So wannis the world's vanitie. Timor Mortis conturbat me. And to death goes all Estatis, Princis, Prelatis, and Potestatis. Baith rich and poor of all degree, Timor Mortis conturbat me. He taketh the nictus into the field, enarmoured under helm and shield. Victor he is at melee, Timor Mortis conturbat me. That strong and merciful tyrant taketh on this mother's breast soukend, the babe full of benignity, Timor Mortis conturbat me. He taketh the campion in the stir, the captain closet in the tower. Sorry, lads, or lasses. The lady in the boor full of beauty, Timor Mortis conturbat me. He spareth no lord for his puissance, ne clerk for his intelligence. His awful strike no man may flee. Timor Mortis conturbat me. Art magicians and astrologists, referus logicians and theologists. Them helps no conclusion slee. Timor Mortis conturbat me. In medicine the most practitioners, leeches, surgeons, and physicians, themselves from death may not supply. Timor Mortis conturbat me. I see that Macris under among the lave, playeth here their pajanis. Sign goes to the grave. Sparet is not their faculty. Timor Mortis conturbat me. He is done piteously devour, the noble chaucer of Marcus flower, the monk of Bury and Gower all free. Timor Mortis conturbat me. Good sir here of Eglintoun, Ettrick, Heriot, and Wintoun, he has ta'en out this country. Timor Mortis conturbat me. As Scorpion Fell has done in feck, Maester John Clerk and James Affleck, for a ballad making in tragedy, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Holland Barber he is brevet, alas he is not with us levet. Sir Mungo Lockhart of the Lee, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Clerk of the Trinent, eke has his ta'en, lat made the antress of Gawain. Sir Gilbert Hay, ended as he, Timor Mortis conturbat me. He has blind Harry and Sandy Trail, slain with his scourge of mortal hail. Cuhilk Patrick Johnson might not flee, Timor Mortis conturbat me. This is a really long poem, sorry folks. He has reft mercer his indite, that didn't live so lively right, so short, so quick, of sentence high, Timor Mortis conturbat me. He has ta'en Rowell of Aberdeen, and gentle Rowell of Costafine. Two better fellows did no man see, Timor Mortis conturbat me. In Dunfermline he has ta'en Brune, with Maester Robert Henrysoon. Sir John the Ross embraced as he, Timor Mortis conturbat me. and he is now ta'en last of a', good gentle Stobo and Quinton Shaw. Of Cuhome always he's pity, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Good Maester Walter Kennedy, in point of death lies verily. Great roof it were so it should be, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Sen he has all my brother ta'en, he will not let me live alone. Of force I man his next prey be, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Since for death remede is none, best is that we for death dispun. After our death let live we may, and may we, Timor Mortis conturbat me. Fuck me, what depressing. How depressed was he when he wrote that? I made a few slips there, folks. You may have noticed that. If I told you, you'll really have trouble with this. I have trouble understanding what half the words are. If you want a translation, or anyone wants a translation, just send me a message and I will do my best to translate for you. Other than that, my next video will be cooking again, seeing as they're getting to be fairly popular. And then, yeah. Now I keep on saying what I'm going to make in the next video and then I'll never do it. But this time I've got the stuff, and it'll be Scotch broth. Dave's tomorrow, Wednesday. So I'll be making Scotch broth, which is a soup, shortbread, and I don't know what else, but I'll have a wee look in my recipe book to see what else I can make, okay? Okay folks, that's me. Bye.